Hello everyone, this video is to show you how to use Weebly to create a website. So the first thing you want to do is click on login on Weebly.com, and you can log in using your Google credentials. So I'm going to do that. And it's going to list your sites and sites you contribute to, and you're going to click the orange Add Site button. And the next thing you're going to do is choose a theme. So you want to scroll through and look for which one strikes your fancy. And some of them have some different color options involved as well. I'm just going to choose this one. And the editor will open. And you want to use the subdomain of Weebly.com. Do not register a new domain, please. And you're just going to name it. And it'll tell you whether that name is available. And you continue. And this is a drag and drop editor, so everything you need to add is on the left, and you just drag it over to the right. Now, if you click on the heading image, you can replace the layout, you can change the background. You could choose from any one of these. So you have a lot of editing options. You'll have a button in here. And so forth. And you just drag and drop. And the most important thing to know is that all of this, all these elements are kind of like building blocks. And so if you put text here and then you drag an image over, you can put it above the text, below the text, to the right of the text. And you'll see that blue bar kind of pop up, and that shows you where it's going to put it. So if I drop it here, it's going to put the image to the left of the text. And then you just keep adding these elements, wherever you want them to be. When you're editing your text, you have pretty standard editing options. This plus and minus increases and decreases font size and so forth. There are some paid features, so you want to stay away from those, but you can insert YouTube videos. You can put files in there. The big thing about making websites is you want it to be visually appealing, so you want to put some pictures in there for sure. Now up at the top you'll see pages, and all of these sites start with a set of pre-made pages, and you do not have to keep those. So for example, if you don't want a services page, you just hit delete, and you do have to click on it to open it to delete those, but you can get rid of those pretty easily, and you can add your own pages in. So I'm just going to click on this last one, delete, and then I can just create a new page by clicking on the plus, and you have some different types. This can link to an external website if you want it to. Standard page, you can pick the kind of header that you want. Maybe no header on this one. And then you just go back to the build menu over here, and you can start dragging your elements in and so forth. And the navigation is decided by your theme. So if you decide you don't like this, you can always go back to theme, and you can pick a different maybe main color for your site, or you can change the theme altogether, and it'll go back to this main menu, and you can choose a different design. When you're done with your website and you're ready to publish it, you're going to click on the publish button up here, and this is going to stay checked, and you're going to hit continue, and it will give you the link to your website. This is going to try and sell you something, just ignore it. You can click on this to see your actual page. Here it is, and your website is up at the top. Okay, and that's really it for Weebly. Pretty easy to use.